I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody. So now I'm working on the TV Box Slim. I've been in the process of putting a clean install Windows 10 on it. Actually went ahead and installed 20H2 on it. And I noticed something bizarre, and I noticed a while back this as well, but this started out as I had a 32-bit OS on this thing and it had 4 gigs of RAM, so I needed to go ahead and get 64-bit on there. So that's what I did tonight. Long story short, I had an image already built for this thing quite a while ago, and then last time I was in this thing, I did the SSD mod, as you see here. I think at the time I threw in some extra RAM to get 4 gigs of RAM. But I noticed after installing Windows 10, now I've already actually fixed the problem, but here in the system properties, it would show installed memory, or RAM, 4 gigabytes, but only 1.6 gigabytes usable. So your computer more or less was behaving like it had just 2 gigs of RAM installed, with some of the memory being shared by the APU. This is a AMD E-series E300 APU. Pretty much a underperforming turd nowadays, but I mean, all I use this thing for is really just to act as a little TV box to play back YouTube and stuff like that, and it's actually kind of struggling to do that. So this thing may be on borrowed time, who knows? But anyways, it was a really bizarre issue. First thing you would think is, okay, flash the BIOS, but looked around on HP's site, no BIOS update was available for this motherboard. This is a this motherboard came out of a compact, I think it's a CQ 2014, something like that, Presario. One of them cheap end Presario towers that's about as anemic as you could ever guess. I mean, had just this motherboard with a giant heatsink on the APU, a hard drive back here, your CD drive up here, and a fan in the back. Not even a power supply unit in the thing, for goodness sakes. Yeah, but little mini ITX motherboard with the E-series APU soldered to the board. So the way I resolved this issue was I just opened the thing up, pulled out both memory modules, swapped them around, made sure that they were well seated in the both of the memory slots, and now it says installed RAM 4 gigabytes with 3.6 usable. Now we are running a 64-bit OS on here. Again, a small portion of the memory gets utilized by the E-series APU graphics. But yeah, in case any of y'all happen to have one of these desktops with this little bitty motherboard, or a laptop with the E-series APU, and you're having this random issue with only like half your RAM being usable by Windows, even with a 64-bit OS, apparently that's a way to resolve it. It could be just one of the modules was not well seated in the slot. Just reseat the modules, and that should get you back up and going. So anyways, hopefully that's helpful. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.